Hello everyone, welcome to Gen Insights. My name is Jubraj Nofel and today we're going to learn how to create asset packs using only a single image and generate similar images with a very uh, programmatic approach, but easy for everyone, anyone with no technical or non-technical background. So imagine you have a website or a software or any kind of graphical need where you need similar kind of styled images, and you need them as a set. So suppose I have a icon here. How can I learn this icon using any kind of image generation tool? For instance, I'm using Gemini here, but we can use ChatGPT, we can use Grok. So how can we do that? At first we will say learn this image style and principle and give me a JSON. We'll wait for now and it will give me a JSON file here. As you can see, it is a JSON file, and we copy this and we will try to see what is its focus. Its focus is car, as you can see. So I will paste this JSON, and instead of car I will say flower and paste it. Generate image of this JSON, and what it will do, it will wait for a while and start generating the image. And as you can see, I have the exact same style flower. Suppose I want different kind of an image, say not car, it is a house, and I paste it and it will generate the house icon for me. As you can see, similar styled house icon. This is not for only flat images. You can use 3D, you can use any kind of icons, any kind of reference from anywhere in the internet, and you will get exactly the same result. And that's how you can create your own icon packs for your apps, for your software, for your graphics, any kind of need, no problem.